guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrevan. In today's video I want to show you how I make okra soup, so stay tuned. If you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and let's get into the video. So here I have my tilapia fish. So I had my tilapia fish in the pot already. So here I'm going to add my onion, so I will add pepper to it. So I'm gonna add salt. So I'm going to add no cube. So I'll add water to it to make the fish cook. So I'm going to cover it. We'll come back to it about 10 minutes. So guys, I'm going to check it now. So now we'll add oil. I'll add my red oil into it. Cover it again for 2 minutes. So I'm going to check it now. So I will remove those fish. So right now I'm going to add my okra. I've sliced it already, as you can see. So now I'm going to add a little baking soda to it because I want it to drop. So I just added a little baking soda to it. So I'm just going to mix it together. So I'll add my crayfish. So I will add a little water. So mix it. Add more water. I'll add a little oil because it's not enough. So I'll add 1 nut cube again. So now I'll add my baby spinach. So I'll mix everything together. So I'll cover it for about 3 minutes. We'll come back to it. So guys, I'm going to check it now. So now I'm going to transfer the fish back to the pot. You have to do it gently so that it will not break. So guys, this is the end result of my okra soup. As you can see, it came out very nice. It tastes very delicious, and you can give it a try and leave your comment below. Let me know how you make your own okra soup. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I hope this is helpful. If you know it's helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like this video. Okay, thank you. And if you know you are new in my channel, you are most welcome. In this channel I upload video once in a week, so don't forget to subscribe also and share this video. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye.